Good morning, people. How are you? It's been a while, right? I hope you are doing okay. It's a Friday, and we already have passed the month of July. How are your targets coming along? How are your days? I'm having quite amazing, for lack of a better word, amazing days. And it's been a while, so I decided to check on you. It's a beautiful morning. I'm already at work. Yeah, I'm an early bird. So, um, just wanted to check on you and to wish you well in whatever you're doing. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord keep you. May the Lord make His face shine upon you. May He lift His countenance on you is my prayer today. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Have a lovely day. I have a few things that I would like to finish before 10. And so yeah, I decided to do this video this morning just so you see what the crazy life that you live in. Yeah. Keep hustling. It will pay off someday. Okay? Have a good day.